Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to add compound indicator into the chart. What's compound indicator? I think everyone has learned compound function in our middle school. Compound function is based on another common function. So we will calculate compound function's result based on another common function's output. That's called compound function. Compound indicator would be the same. Let's see how to add compound indicator into the chart. First of all, we will choose a common indicator. We will choose RSI as our example. You can see RSI show up, right? And after that, we choose this menu again, but we will not choose this one. We will not choose this menu item because this menu item will create a new independent indicator. We will choose RSI's add an indicator menu item. So this option is different from this option. This option will add a compound indicator into the chart. It will be calculated based on RSI, so we will choose this one. To simplify the experiment, we will choose SMA as our example. We make it a different color. You can see a new compound function, a new compound indicator show up. It's based on RSI. And if we uncheck this option, a same indicator will show up in a separate window. Okay, so we can make a new indicator show up in the same window as the base indicator line, and we can make it show up in a separate window as well. Okay, if we remove RSI, what will happen? And both of the SMA indicators would be removed as well because they are based on RSI's result. So they are not independent indicators. So if we remove RSI, both of the SMA indicators would be removed as well. Let's see how it works. Okay, you can see all are removed after I removed RSI. Okay, hopefully today's tutorial video helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.